Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead is non-phone. It is in the healthcare field, and unfortunately this one is for the United States only. So my international viewers, I will have something coming up for you later in the week. But real quickly, if you are new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss another job lead, make sure you are subscribed and have those notifications turned on. That way YouTube will notify you every time a new job lead is posted. But without wasting any time, today's job lead is from the company UPMC. They are a healthcare company, and they are hiring a coding and reimbursement specialist to work from home. Their salary range is anywhere from $20 to $33.22 an hour. I'm sure that is dependent on experience and location, but it does say this role is Monday through Friday during daylight business hours, and it is fully remote work from home. They're looking for someone to help with accurate claim submission and reimbursement, and has met for all account types, identifying ICD-9, CPT, and modifier usage through review of the medical records. So this is non-phone. You will be monitoring and resolving coding edits and denials in a timely manner to ensure optimal reimbursement while adhering to major payer regulations. You'll partner with providers and coders to investigate payer coding and reimbursement policies of new and existing services. You'll adhere to any internal competencies and policies that are set. You may have to contact the payer representatives to discuss policy exceptions. You will demonstrate proficiency in utilizing computer access. You'll review applicable payer coding policies, submit appeals, which is normally done online, submitting medical records and according to the guidelines of the payer, and you'll update any communicative changes to coding staff and providers. Now, this does not require any kind of college degree. It does require you be a high school graduate or equivalent. Graduate of a CPC or coding program is preferred, but not required. A minimum of 2 years experience with E&M or surgical CPT ICD-9 coding and 5 years payer reimbursement experience related to E&M or surgical coding is required. They want someone who has experience with modifiers for payer reimbursement and someone who has experience researching payer regulations, policies, and guidelines. So this is for someone who has worked in the healthcare billing field before and has some of that experience. If you want to find out about their benefits package, they have a separate link to a page that goes over all of their benefits that include health insurance, paid time off, all of the things. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.